The torch is in hand of Varshita Gandhi, the national under-19 kabaddi player of our school. National level in Taekwondo tournament.
Now proceeding towards the left. We swear that we'll take part in the